it's me, Keisha Vlog, and here it's Keisha content, and you is very nice and nice to meet you, Begin, and you super my best friend, and shout out nga pala kay Lera and kay 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 Amara and kay Johan and kay Uy. So yun lang po yung aking pinag-shoutout dyan sa akong classmate. Kayo yung nagsabi sa akin nung kanina nang bago ako mag-uwi na shoutout kayo. So, very nice po kayo. Shoutout!